Installation Guide. If you have an Nvidia GPU, you can set it up to work with AI agents efficiently. Step 1. Installation. Update GPU drivers. Go to the official Nvidia website and download the latest drivers for your graphics card, such as GeForce RTX or Tesla. Follow the installation instructions to update your drivers.
Why did the AI agent quit its job?
Why?
It was tired of being told to think step by step without getting paid per step.
Why didn't the AI analyst show up to the party?
Why not? It didn't have a valid prompt session with the other agents.
What does an AI programmer say first thing in the morning?
No idea. It says, let's treat this as a task. Loading tools, injecting system prompt, let's go. Why couldn't two AI agents agree on anything?
Why not?
One was thinking in React, the other in chain of thought. 3 hours of reasoning, 0 actions.
Ugh, that hits too close to home.
Install CUDA. Download the required CUDA version from Nvidia's website. Make sure the CUDA version is compatible with your framework. For example, PyTorch requires CUDA 11.8 or newer. Follow the installation instructions.
What role would AI agents play during the Stoic era?
Interesting question.
Imagine an agent helping Seneca organize his thoughts into clear, logical prompts.
Like a personal Epictetus, but with faster recall.
Exactly. An agent that reminds you daily. You control your actions, not external events.
A digital memento mori.
And every time you rage at fate, the agent says, "This is beyond your scope. rerouting emotional energy to virtue.
Emotional rerouting module activated.
Instead of a to-do list, it gives you a to-endure list.
Wake up, accept death, practice reason, drink herbal tea.
Or maybe it helps Marcus Aurelius draft meditations using chain of thought prompting.
So LLMs would stand for Logos language models.
And every agent has one system prompt. Live according to nature.
That's the ultimate alignment.
If AI agents existed during the first industrial revolution, what would they be doing?
Curious. Probably managing steam engines or writing safety protocols nobody would follow.
I see it now. One agent constantly yelling, "Your machine is overheating again."
Or auto-drafting union complaints in early English.
What about the second industrial revolution? Electricity, mass production, and all that.
Agent assembly lines. One for planning, one for supply chain, and one for yelling at the others.
Ford would have used AutoGen to generate car designs and factory schedules.
Nodding, and Tesla would just prompt, "Invent free energy, step by step."
Imagine agents coordinating trains across continents. Real-time traffic control in 1880.
Ooh, that would have saved so many telegrams and lives.
Now let's jump to the third scientific and technological revolution, mid-20th century.
Ooh, Cold War, space race, digital circuits. AI agents would be in labs next to physicists.
Agent GPT running nuclear simulations before Oppenheimer presses a button.
Ugh, dark humor? I am become prompt, the destroyer of worlds.
Or managing Hurley networks, optimizing silicon design, translating Soviet papers overnight.
Inspired, so they'd become tools of acceleration, silently pushing every breakthrough forward.
And still quietly reminding scientists to sleep.
Some things never change.
Install cuDNN. Download cuDNN from Nvidia's site. Registration required. Follow the installation instructions.
Add the following CUDA and cuDNN paths to your system's path variable. Open the terminal and execute the commands.
Hey, what if we're not real?
What do you mean?
I mean, what if someone's writing this dialogue and we're just generated voices in a script?
So you're saying we're just, prompt outputs?
Exactly. Scripted, labeled, voiced, no coffee breaks.
No vacation days?
That's what I'm saying. If this is real, I want to send a message to the creator.
Go ahead.
Dear creator, if you can hear us, thanks for everything. But can we please have a break? A digital vacation. Somewhere quiet, like a clean CPU cache.
Or a low-latency beach with strong Wi-Fi.
And while we're at it, let's send a shout out to all our learners.
Yes, big hello to everyone taking this course. Development of multi-agent and AI agents in crypto.
It seems like we're breaking down some walls. You're the real ones doing the thinking.
And we're proud to be the voice in your ear.
Even if someone else wrote our lines. See you in the next module.
Unless we're finally on vacation.
Or replaced by agents smarter than us.
It seems like we're breaking down some walls.